The strength of an acid or a base is its ability to dissociate when dissolved in water. Strength is a measure of ability to do something. There is something an acid or a base does when it dissolves in water. Remember, when any ionic compound dissolves in water, it ionizes, it produces ions. Acids and bases are not exception. When an acid dissolves in water, it dissociates. It ionizes, producing hydrogen ion and the acid radical. The ability of this acid and this base to dissociate in order to release hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion respectively is what is known as strength of the acid or the base. Based on this concept, acids and bases are classified into two. We have strong acids and weak acids. We also have strong bases and weak bases. Some acids dissociate completely to release hydrogen ion. Some dissociate partially. The acids that dissociate completely to release hydrogen ion are called strong. Those that dissociate partly to release few hydrogen ion or few ions are called weak. The same applies to bases. Here are few examples of strong acids. And I'm going to show the dissociation that happens. When this hydrochloric acid dissociates, we have one hydrogen ion and we have one chloride ion. The same thing here, one sulfate ion. So this single arrow shows complete dissociation. Let's look at weak acids. These are few examples of weak acids. We have trioxosulfate 4 acid, trioxocarbonate 4 acid, ethanoic acid, ethane dioic acid, or you call it oxalic acid. Now look at their dissociations. You can see the difference between the dissociation of weak acid and that of strong acid. These ions are more unstable, meaning that they can recombine to form the acid, which means the dissociation of weak acids is mostly a reversible process. That is why these acids are weak. They don't dissociate completely. They dissociate partly. As these two hydrogen ions are produced per molecule, it has a greater tendency to recombine with this sulfite ion to form sulfurous acid back. The same with others, That is why these are called weak acids. Now let us look at strong and weak bases. So looking at this table, you will observe that these two are strong bases. Why? One arrow showing that the reaction is spontaneous. 2, the kind of metallic ion produced. These two metallic ions are more stable than these two. These two are more unstable. So they have the ability to recombine with hydroxide ion to produce their parent molecule. And 2, double-headed arrow showing reversible reaction. So these are strong bases shown by single arrow, which shows that they ionize completely in water to release hydroxide ion, while weak bases ionize partially in water to release hydroxide ion. But definition of strength of acid and base is not enough to understand the strength of acid and base. There are 5 factors that are used to measure the real strength of an acid or a base. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the next video, we are starting with number 1. These are the things you need to study in order to know what strength is when talking about acids and bases. I hope you got value. If you did, comment on this post, like and share it so that more students and teachers that need it will get to see it. Keep on watching Chemistry Made Easy. This is a place where you learn chemistry at ease. Ask your question at the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Stay tuned on Chemistry Made Easy. Follow and subscribe.